Troopers, welcome back to the garage. It is one of those days. We're dealing with this stainless steel eBay performance header that fits an Isuzu Trooper 2.6 liter 4-cylinder. No, it does not. It does not fit. Alright, so it's basically a Chinese night shift stainless steel header that you do not want to buy. I mean, if you're going to buy one, be prepared to do a little bit of slicing and dicing and stainless steel welding. Let's get underneath the truck and have a quick look, okay? So up here, the first heads up, O2 sensor grommet, way off kilter. EGR hose has to be bent in order to fit. These are two big heads up. We get underneath and we're having fitment problems right away, okay? Do not buy one of these eBay stainless steel headers. I got excited at first, but it's definitely a night shift header, and I do not recommend these, okay? This 4-in-1 collector should be coming down on a straight plane to match the body line and the frame line of the truck, and it's going straight up into the transmission, MUA 5-speed, driving right into the body. Had to bend the heat shield to accommodate it. It should be below the heat shield slightly. The angle is so far out, it's got to be 30 degrees out. It's just, do not buy one of these headers. I got duped. You know, it was a nice little experiment. I'm going to have to take it to an exhaust shop. We're going to have to cut some pies out of the bottom here, close it down, and then re-weld it. You know, short of disassembling the entire header, how are you going to ever bend this? It's bent on the wrong angle, and it's so grossly out that it's not achievable. So do not buy one of these headers unless you're prepared to deal with some horrors. It's cost me 10 hours easy. Alright, troopers, failed stainless steel cheap header experiment off of eBay. Do not buy.